The Trumpcare bill passed by the House breaks 8 of Trump's promises on health care. First, he promised insurance for everybody. But under Trumpcare, millions of Americans will lose coverage. Second, he promised not to cut Medicaid, but Trumpcare slashes Medicaid by $880 billion over 10 years, almost 1/4 of its entire budget. As a result, 14 million people will lose access to Medicaid by 2026, according to the nonpartisan Congressional Budget Office. Third, he promised to take care of pre-existing conditions. But Trumpcare removes safeguards for people with pre-existing conditions, allowing states to opt out of rules that protect the sick from being charged so much more they won't be able to afford it. Fourth, he said he'd take care of women with women's health issues far better than Hillary Clinton. But Trumpcare cuts funding for Planned Parenthood, could send pregnancy costs skyrocketing, and even opens the door for rape and sexual assault to be considered pre-existing conditions. Fifth, he promised premiums would come down, but under Trumpcare, premiums are expected to increase over the next years, especially for people with pre-existing conditions. According to the Center for American Progress, even Americans with relatively mild pre-existing conditions could pay thousands of dollars more. Sixth, he promised you'll have better health care, but Trumpcare allows states to get around rules that require insurers to provide essential health benefits, including maternal care, prescription coverage, and mental health care. Seventh, he promised much lower deductibles. But according to the Congressional Budget Office analysis of the original bill, deductibles would tend to be higher under Trump's plan. Eighth, and finally, he promised health care to families that can't afford it. But not only does Trumpcare dramatically cut Medicaid, it also reduces tax credits for low-income families to get coverage. Donald Trump's health care promises are worse than worthless. Unless the Senate stops Trumpcare, it will cost most Americans a bundle. It will cost many people their lives. There's still time to stop this travesty. Make sure your senator knows you don't want Trumpcare.